Technologies. Today we are going to see the project name is wireless hand gesture and Bluetooth smart home or industrial automation. So here we are using a gesture based control as well as smartphone voice based device control. We are using PIC 16FA777A microcontroller, and for controlling the entire operation this is 8-bit microcontroller. So this is the power supply for converting 230 volts AC to 5 volts DC. This is rectifier, filter and voltage regulator. Finally it converts 5 volts DC. This 5 volts is connected to all the models. So this is 16:2 alphanumerical LCD for displaying the status, and this is HC05 Bluetooth module which is connected to the Android mobile application. This is Arduino voice application. So here we are using ADXL335 MEMS ADC sensor for controlling the gesture operation. So this Bluetooth and Android application for controlling the loads through voice application. Let me demonstrate. So these are the two relays for controlling the load 1 and load 2. So these are the commands: load 1 for 1 for on, 1 for off, 2 for on, 2 for off, 3 for on for both loads, 3 for off for both loads. So when we here these two operations are load 1 is 0, load 2 is 0. So we want to turn on the load. So we just put it again same direction. Load 1 is relay, load 2 is firm. So if you want to turn on both the loads at a time, just tilt like this. If you tilt again, convert into Bluetooth mode, you just stick to the Bluetooth button. So now it is turned into like Bluetooth mode. If you want to turn on the loads, 1, 1. So 1 for load 1 on. If I say again 1, load is turned off. 3 for both loads on. Capital C. So both loads on. You want to turn off capital C. So both loads are off. Thank you guys for watching demo. Please do subscribe for more updated videos.